Hey everybody, again, I'm going to do a second video, and this is specifically on rates. And the reason why I wanted to do a second video on rates is some people want to hear about rates, some people don't. So if you do, this is the video to be in. So let's talk about rates. Rates have done something in the last couple of weeks that have been very, very positive to lower rates. And basically what's happened is we saw a plateauing effect. And then in recent days, we've actually seen some nice improvement. Now, we're not 100% saying that we topped out on interest rates, which is about 5.5 or so, 5.43, I think it was. But this is definitely some nice news. So a little bit of history on the rates here. Let's go back. Let's go back 6 months or so. So you can see basically what the rates were is rates were starting, and then all of a sudden we fell off this cliff, and we definitely fell off a cliff. Rates were fluctuating anywhere from a quarter to 3/8 of points of a day to 1/10 of a point per day. And so that was causing us quite a bit of chaos. So this is a standard candlestick chart. It's an inverted chart. So as this goes down, interest rates go up. Red is good, green is bad. And you can see that we're sitting back on rates for quite a long time. We can even go back a year. This is when all those rates were really spectacular, low rates in the September, October, November, hitting in December, and then it just fell off that cliff. In the last few weeks, though, what we've seen is we saw a plateauing effect. And we saw a plateauing effect here, then a little bit of a drop down, and then another plateauing. So basically, rates were not as aggressively going down as they once were. Then in the last few days, so since May 18th, we've actually seen rates improve, and actually quite nicely, almost a quarter of a point in the improvement. So this will be the third week in a row that we've actually seen some nice, either stable or decent rates. And we have gone now up. So we've broken through these two levels. This is a level of support and a 25-day moving average. And what this has done is this has caused us to have some floors. So hopefully this floor of support will stick. If we get above these two areas right in here and get into this channel right here, we can actually see rates improve even more dramatically. Now, it's really going to depend upon what happens. Today's inflation number came out great, but we have two inflation numbers that are coming out in June and July that are kind of aggressive. I've been on record by saying that June should be the bottom of rates because that's when the worst inflation number is, and we should improve from there. But it looks like everybody's saying everything's going into recession, and a recession is always good for rates, but unfortunately bad for the economy. So with that being said, kind of the moral of the story is maybe it's a hope, a wish, and a prayer that mortgage rates have topped, and we'll start seeing some improvement. But at least over the last, we can go all the way back to April 8th, we've seen some stability in rates, which has been really nice. Hey, thanks a lot. Again, it's a Memorial Day. Make sure you thank a veteran and honor the veterans who have served. Thank you, and make it a great one.